Hi guys. Manlakaw mi guys. Magpalit mi kuan. Tuno. Say hi Lai. Hi guys. Say hi guys. Oh, daghanag sangig sa mga silingan. Oh. Adto na po mig bakala guys. Kay magpalit mi og puno. Nice kay flowers dire guys, oh. Nice ang flower line. Wow, flowers. Pink and white color. Where you cup ba? Very hot. Init na ang Dubai guys. Sagbot naman sa ato guys, oh. But there is a flower. And naapoy sangig diri guys. Oh, oh, oh. Namunga ng manggas among silingan diri guys. Yay! What you want to buy in Bakalalay? Ha? Unsa? Alin? Ay guys, naabot na mi diri guys. Yalay, look at hi guys. Init kay guys.
Hi guys.
Diri na lang ni nga supermarket guys. Kay dako. Tingnan lang mi dito sa Bacala. What you want to buy inside? Huh? You want ice cream? And here's the playground. The playground outside. The supermarket. Here we go. We arrived. Bye guys. Say bye guys. Bye. Bago na liyo. You want to sit here first? Okay.